Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove YouTube Shorts from YouTube app. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open YouTube and then you need to scroll and here you can find YouTube Shorts. So how you can remove that? You simply need to click on three dots on the top right of YouTube Short and click on Not Interested. So you simply need to do that with all the videos like I am doing. So here you can see that all shorts are now removing. So you simply need to repeat that with all videos. So now you can see that YouTube shorts are removed. So this is the process by which you can remove YouTube shorts from YouTube app. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.